This video is brought to you by Kingston. What's going on, guys? This is Sam. I hope all of you are doing really great. We have a new iOS update coming out next week. This information comes courtesy of Apple, so if you're excited for that, drop a like down below and of course subscribe so you do not miss out on any future Apple news. But it's not actually coming out for all iPhone users, only iPhone users in China. And the story of why is pretty interesting. You may have heard some rumblings about the Qualcomm versus Apple battle raging pretty hard right now in China. Qualcomm wants Apple to ban a ton of iPhone models because Apple's been using some patents from Qualcomm and not paying them for the use of those patents. So it's been a huge legal battle. Here's the reason that matters. Apple has confirmed that early next week, so either Monday the 17th or probably Tuesday the 18th of December 2018, a new iOS update is going live for iPhone users in China. Now, whether it's going to be iOS 12.1.2 released a little bit early, or if Apple's going to jump straight to 12.1.3, that's my guess. We don't entirely know yet, but we do have an idea of what Apple's going to fix in this update, and I want to jump into that now. So according to Bloomberg here, the patents involved address adjusting photographs and managing apps via a touchscreen. So when I think about photographs, I think I read somewhere else it was about maybe the way you crop photos. Apple was reportedly infringing upon a Qualcomm own patent for doing that. And then also managing apps with a touchscreen is literally the most ambiguous you could possibly be with a smartphone. When are you not managing apps with a smart screen? That's literally what a smartphone is. So I have no idea how Apple's gonna fix that one. Maybe iOS 13 comes out early in China only? That wouldn't happen. But they are gonna have to do something to address these patents because apparently they are infringing upon the rights of another company, and legally you can't do that. It's not right, at least if you don't pay them for those patents. It's a really interesting case because generally Apple is going after other companies for infringing upon their patents rather than other companies coming at Apple for infringing on patents. Now, when this update comes out, I'm definitely going to try to get my hands on it somehow, or at least obtain screenshots of what's changing. I'm interested to see how drastic these changes are going to be. Is it going to be like a complete redesign of something that Apple has to totally revamp because they're being legally forced to? Or is it going to be something really tiny that Qualcomm is just really nitpicky about? So if you are an iPhone user in China, expect a new iOS update again sometime early next week addressing those patent infringements. In the meantime, for everybody else, what you can get right now is this new Nucleum USB-C hub from Kingston. As you all can see, there are tons and tons of ports on here. SD card slot I use constantly while making videos. They also have HDMI, which I've been using a ton as well. Another USB-C and regular USB on the other side. It's a cool product. It's definitely something that I've been looking for my MacBook Pro just because I'm always plugging things in, and it's a cool alternative to having to buy all these different adapters from Apple. It's like all these adapters in just one cord. Now, Kingston sponsored this video and did make it possible. They also sent this out for me to take a look at. I would highly recommend checking this out if you're looking for either a really cool gift for yourself or for somebody else during the holiday season, or you just want a really good USB-C hub. Definitely go ahead and check this out, and I will leave a link down below in the description. That's all I've got for you though in this video. If you enjoyed it, drop a like, subscribe for more, and I will catch you all in my next video.